Welcome back! You have probably already seen our other tutorials that show you how Parago makes your life easier, safer and more convenient. If not, check them out. Today I will show you once more why Pg20 is your partner to truly live mobile. Unlike other portable coolers, Pg20 is super easy and convenient to transport, no matter your constitution or body shape. First of all, Pg20 has an extendable handle that you can adjust to your needs and height. You can adjust it in 2 steps. Second, Pg20 has 2 wheels that allow you to move it conveniently and without any noise on any ground. Being so easy, convenient and silent to pull your Pg20 behind you, you will probably not even notice it having your back. What are you waiting for? Let's get rolling! For more information, check out our other tutorials, follow us on WeChat or Instagram, or visit our Parago website.